Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to share your Pinterest account with your friends on any WhatsApp or any other social media, how to copy your profile link on your Pinterest. If you are just new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So here I'm just going to show how to share your Pinterest account to anyone. So first of all, go to the unsaved option here. So you have the UI or the page look like this. Then you just need to click on the top left corner on the profile and click on the view profile option on the first. Now you just need to note that in the top you can find an option called share. Click on this. Now it shows like you can directly share on Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, or copy the link. Way that you can share your profile to anyone on the by copying link. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.